Good day. In this video, we are tasked to create an assembly program that accepts five numbers or five words. For the given numbers and words, we will sort them in ascending or descending order. Moreover, words can be rewritten by changing all the vowels in the given words to their corresponding number, namely A is to 1, E is to 2, I is to 3, O is to 4, and U is to 5. To start, we will open Command Prompt or CMD. Then, to go to the directory where the assembly file is saved, we type in cd downloads. Then, to assemble the program, we use the NASM assembler. Then, um, to link the object file to create an executable, we use the GCC linker. Then to run the executable, we type in a.exe. As you can see here, this is our overview of the menu of our assembly program. To start, uh, Angelo will show us the number.
So let's start. I'm going to show the number. So let's input the number one, and we're going to enter five items. So let's say 67, 34, 12, 5, and lastly 32. So it's shown in your screen, which is the ascending order and descending. So we're going to choose the ascending order. So we're going to input the number one. Here you can see the sorted items in descending order, which is the 5, 12, 32, 34, and 67. So let's repeat, and yeah, we're going to put the five items, which which is the 5, 12, 32, 34, and 67. And now we're going to show the descending order. So let's input the number 2, and in 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 your screen you can see the descending order, which is the 67, 34, 32, 12, and 5. So let's try again. We're going to add numbers and letters. So let's input the number 1, 32, apple, 12, blue, and 100. It shows in your screen the error. It prompts in your screen the error, which is invalid input. Please enter only numbers. So we're going to repeat that and we're going to input only the numbers. So let's input 12, 43, 50, 78, and 100. So let's choose the ascending order. Let's input the number 1. So yeah, you can see the sorted items, which is the 12, 33, 50, 78, and 100.
Okay, thank you, Angelo, for showing us the number. example. And for the word, Kent will explain how it works.
So first, let's select the number 2, which is the word, and let's pick up to 5 word, which is gold, blue, red, green, and white, red. Then let's select the ascending. As you can see, the words was in an ascending order. Then let's select no. Then let's select the number 2 again, which is the word. Then let's write the 5 words again, which is the gold, blue, green, red, and white. This time we're gonna select the descending. As you can see, it was in the descending order. And again, this time we're gonna select the yes. Then it was changed to vowels to numbers. And let's talk about the error. Let's try another example. Let's select the 2 again. And let's enter the red, 33, 32, blue, green. As you can see, it put an error message because it can only enter a word, not numbers. Let's select up to 5 words again. Let's says green, gold, blue, red, and white. And let's select the ascending one. There, then no. There you go. The example for the words.
Thank you, and thank you, Kent, for showing us what this number, the word do. Then for the last part, we choose to if you want to exit the program, we choose number 0, and it will show the thank you message. And I think that's it. Thank you for watching.